Alright everybody, welcome to another episode of Pretty Pink and Sparkling, right? Okay, my name is Miguel Landa. I am the husband of Mariana Landa. My artist name is Miguel. And I'm gonna bring Mariana is not here right now, so I'm gonna bring my model to show you. I'm gonna do the makeup on my model to show you how well I can do the makeup. I am representing AJ Styles. I'm a WWE fan. Props to WWE. No giving me credit or nothing. Alright, let's start. Where's my model at? She's my model right here. Here's my lovely wife. Her name is Mariana. Say hi.
Hi everybody.
So, let's do Master Primer. It's from Maybelline, New York. Everybody from New York, what's up? Alright, so we're gonna use this squishy little thingy. They're called squishy little thingies. So we're gonna put it right here and do all the makeup primer on it. Because to tell you the truth, put some over here too, on the neck. Because I've seen a lot of girls on Walmart, Mall, Hobby Lobby. Props to Hobby Lobby. They're not giving me credit, but okay. They don't put primer on their neck. And they look like they use a lot of mantequilla on it.
Where do you get mantequilla from?
Oh, maseca, sorry. Sorry, maseca. Okay, after the primer, that's my dog over there. After the primer, you're gonna use some foundation. Yeah, foundation. So, you use this like on face. Like that. Right? If you girls don't think I'm putting it right, comment below. It's gonna be late, but don't worry about it. I can still see your comments. Okay? After that, we're gonna blush it in all over the face. This beautiful face. We're gonna use this little thingy like that. Put it on two middle fingers like that, and then rub it in, and there you go. There was the foundation. After the foundation, I don't know what the hell you use, but I'm gonna use some treatment. I don't know, that's in France. Oh, there's the English one. Eraser dark spots. So that you're gonna do on the dark spots. Wait.
Do I have any?
What?
Dark spots.
Well, I'm gonna put more foundation because I didn't do it right. There you go. Now we're gonna use Age Renew one for the dark spots. We're gonna use a dark spot underneath the eye because salen muchas ojeras for the not sleeping right, and that's not good for you do your makeup. Okay, and then use that, and then some right here, some right here. I think that's all. If you guys see any dark spots, let me know in comments. Too late, but it's gonna be okay. You know, just make sure. Oh, you're gonna use a sponge thingy again? Another sponge thingy? And that's it. After that, you use your contour stick. The contour, you use it here. Here is a 08805 from Wet n Wild. Wet n Wild, if you're watching this, props to you because my wife likes your products. use some over here too, just in case. You never know. We're gonna use another sponge thingy. Make sure you have a couple, because you don't want to use the same sponge thingy for every situation. Or make sure you have you'll wash it every time. Okay, after you put that contour, because that's what we used last, you use the blush, right?
What blush is that?
I think that just use the blush. Don't help me.
No, I'm just. They want to know what products you use.
You want to know what product you use?
Because you know, they want to recreate this look.
This look. Okay, we're gonna use Bar Piece Blush 1205 Bird Peach.
So what's Bird Peach is the
Bird
color?
Peach, yes.
Okay.
Bird Peach, that's the color. You gotta look peach. Okay, to give you more thing, this is made in California. Comes from Canada, but it's made in California. Okay, so we're gonna use this somewhere in the face.
So in the face.
We're gonna use, let's see, we're gonna use this brush. This brush is made from Morphe E8. Perhaps Morphe, I'm not getting no credit, but if you see this video, you make sure you give me some credit. So we're gonna use that. That's gonna go, let's see, let's go right here. Now let's keep doing the face first. Okay,
Let's keep doing the face.
we're gonna use I think this is what it is. Anastasia Moon Glow Kid Child. We're gonna use pink hard color. That's this right here. We're gonna use this brush because I like the color on the handle. And it's a Luxie 660 Precious Foundation. Okay? So we're gonna use that. I think that's how you use it, or you use your finger. Uno de los dos. So you use that. Okay, now you can rub it in. I think everybody's gonna ask you, who did your makeup? And you're gonna be like, my husband. And they're gonna be like, oh, you look so let's find another word. So beautiful. I was gonna use for another word, but it doesn't come to mind right now. And you're gonna be like, yes, he is phenomenal.
Should we add your makeup skills to your business cards?
No.
Why not?
Okay. Quit moving. We're gonna do the eyes. We're gonna do from the Boxycharm, only $21 a month, right? Yeah,
You pay it, baby.
I pay.
I mean, sir.
We're gonna use what she got from ColourPop. It's gonna be the element of surprise, cause this is a surprise makeup. It's a shadow palette, just to make sure you guys know what I'm using. Shadow palette. She got these two brushes. Just to let you know, you pay $21 a month for the Boxycharm. This price ColourPop is for $16. Says right there the price, and these two brushes are for $38, $50. So just these two, you're just paying $21 a month. Come on, tell your husbands, your boyfriends, not to be codos.
Link is on below. Oh my god.
Look, and it has like fake diamonds. You can't beat that. So we're gonna use this, and we're gonna use pink on the bottom. Now let's use this. What's this color? Oh, it says right there.
Subdue, I think.
It's beside the pink. Subdue. No, that's subdue. That's a pink.
No.
Opulent. We're gonna use the opulent color on the bottom. After you do one eye, make sure to do the other eye. Now on the top, we're gonna use something that doesn't have a sparkle, because too much sparkle doesn't make it sparkle. And we're gonna use this go with the flow, because that's what we're gonna do. Go with the flow. That's what we're doing. We're going with the flow of the makeup of Boxycharm. If you want to subscribe to the Boxycharm, it's only $21 a month, and you want to tell your boyfriend, husband, amante, whatever you have. I'm not discriminating. You can have whatever you want. To just tell them that it's $21 a month, or you can tell them that it's for the water bill, gas bill, whatever bill you wanna. They're gonna believe anything you say, because the women is override. Awesome. You see, it looks beautiful and it looks good. But I can use another.
Yeah, you can go get another palette.
Okay, and we're gonna use for the lower lash line. For the bottom lash line, we're gonna use another Boxycharm, but this is for last month. And it's a PUR, pure. Okay, and we're gonna use another brush because these ones are already dirty from the other ones. So let's use this new one, and we're gonna use this Babe, because I like the name Babe. And right there, that's how she looks beautiful. And don't tell my wife I'm saying that she looks beautiful, because she's gonna kill me whenever she sees this video. And the eyebrows is for the Boxycharm of this month too, and it's a Brow Gold Tony Crooks, and it's only $22. Look, $22 for this, and you're paying $21 a month. You just save $1. Come on. And that goes right here. I think that's where it goes. Okay, then we're gonna do that eyelashes. That's what they're called, eyelashes. We're gonna use one of these four. Let me know which ones you want me to use. Comment below. It's gonna be too late because I'm gonna use this one. So it really don't matter if you comment or not. Okay, so we're gonna use this. I don't see no difference at all. I don't see no color. Oh, I can see a color. It's a little darker. Oh shoot. Hold on. Oh my god. Oh!
Oh, guys, you know how you always complain about your girlfriends taking too long to do their makeup? Do their makeup once. You'll be able to see why they take long.
Okay, now we're gonna use the lipstick from the Boxycharm. It's made from a MAC, M-A-C, MAC. And that is for 21. There you go. $21. That's the price of your Boxycharm. Man, I'm telling you, tell your guys, tell your boyfriend, tell your husband. This is your amante, whatever you wanna, whatever you have. Okay, now rub your lips together. There you go. Oh, sure, I already messed it up. Okay, now let's see. Close your lips. We're gonna clean all the residue. Okay. And voila! Wait, we have to put setting spray. setting mist. There you go. Now we're done.
Holy smokes.
It looks beautiful. She looks hot. I did a great job.
I think the shadow emphasizes my dark circles. The lipstick color, I like it. It's pretty nice. Too bad he just ruined it. He owes me a lipstick.
And she got a vacuum cleaner from Boxycharm too. It's that one's from $47, guys. $47.
Please put some comments below. Give him some tips so he can do my makeup again sometime soon. And like he says, you know, he can always learn. There's room for improvement. As you can see, I'm not going anywhere tonight, but maybe in the future. Thank you so much for joining us today. And you don't know how much I had to beg him for this video, but I guess it was worth it. I hope you girls enjoyed it. Okay? Tell us anything.
Okay, now I'm gonna say bye to my fans. Thank you, everybody, and we'll see you on the next episode of Pretty Pink and Sparkly. Awesome!